my review on the Costway portable washing machine, and as you can hear, I do have something washing at the moment. It was at the 9-minute mark, but right now it is getting closer to 3 minutes, so it's almost done. And as you can see, it's about halfway full. So this much water was 2 of these buckets. So 2 buckets to fill half of this tank. And I literally have about maybe 4 or 5 tops, 1 jacket, and maybe like a bra there. So I don't have too much, and as you can see, it should be spinning like that. If you put in too much clothing, it won't spin well, and that's how you know that it's overloaded. And you don't want to overload it because this machine, it is kind of delicate. Like, it is kind of small and delicate, so you want to be careful and not to overload it because it lasts long. And so once this is done washing, I'm going to put half in here to spin it. And so you can see it's kind of dirty, but I already spun some stuff earlier. I'm going to wash it later before I finish putting everything away. I'm going to give it a little cleanup. But anyways, you have to use this, and you put the clothing in first, then you put this. Like that, and then you push it down, kind of like drain it a little, and then the water will come out, go into the bucket, it will drain it, and once you take out the clothing, it is about, I would say, 60% dry. And so I would hang my clothes, so it is air dry, and some stuff does dry quicker than the others. It could be anywhere from 4 to maybe 8 hours to drying, just depends what kind of material it is. For example, like tops, like t-shirts and stuff, that usually dries really fast. So right now it's like 4 p.m. Maybe like by 8, everything will be dry. Like the tops, like the heavier things, like jeans and jackets, that's gonna take a little while. That might be done by the morning. It'll be like 90% done to 100%. So it's no big deal for me. I'm okay with waiting. I have no rush, and so far it works really good. I really like my washer. I have it set up on this stool, and I found a board, and it is elevated about 4 inches. I would say about 4 inches off the ground, and then the tube is right there inside the bucket, so for when it drains, it doesn't go everywhere. And then I just take that bucket and dump it in the sink. And it also has like a lid compartment, so inside the thing that you see here, this thing right here, that catches the lint, so every once in a while you need to clean it out. And also just check with your sink to make sure that there's no lint going in there, so you don't get any clogs. Besides that, it's very practical, it's very affordable. It saves me tons of money from going to the laundromat, literally just spending money on soap and electricity. The water's free, landlord pays for it. So I'm just paying for the electricity. You literally just use a tiny bit of soap, like you literally don't need that much. And after this, you can see that it is clean well because the water is dark, but after this, I have the option of maybe rinsing it one more time. So if not, sometimes it comes out pretty clean. Like, you don't really need to rinse it, but it's really optional if you want to. Like if you have like sensitivity to maybe rinse it, but for me it's worked out fine. Like the clothing, it smells good, it smells clean. Like I like it. I like it. It really does clean it very well. So yeah, you guys, if you've been thinking about it, you should really get this little washer. It is so affordable. It really will make your life easier if you don't have a laundry at your apartment or house or dorm, wherever you are. This will make it easy. You don't have to do too much. And if you hook it up, even better. If not, the bucket method is not so bad. Like, it's not a deal breaker. But it's really up to you how you want to do it. So yeah, you guys should try it out. It's only $200, so it's a small investment that really pays off. And I've only had it about 2 weeks now, so I'm gonna update you guys later on. That way you can see how long it lasts, how durable. So right now it actually stopped washing. I can show you guys how it drains. So I'm gonna put this to drain. So you do need to make sure that's in there so it doesn't spill on your floor, and then you just move it to drain. And then I have to make sure that it doesn't like overfill. So I'm gonna just keep an eye on it. And once that's done, I'm just gonna dump it in the sink and then rinse whatever's left, like drain it, and then I can put it in the spinner. And so that will get the excess water out. So that's about it. I'm gonna leave it at that, and that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Don't overload it. If I had a setup with like some wheels, it would be better because it can just move it around. But it's been fine here in my kitchen. It's no big deal for me.